guys. We're in 4th of July fireworks, but there's still no fireworks. Right? No fireworks? Gotta wait. What do you have to say, Evie?
This is
She says it's the sun. Are you serious?
today we're going
What happened?
to like this.
Give me it. Come on. Well, I think it's gonna be in separate videos. Stop.
Look, my shiny arm. Look, shiny arm.
Yeah, we got bracelets. she got pink, but I think it's purple. And well, we're just doing an intro, and we're gonna wait until the fireworks, and that's when I'm gonna record because I don't have a lot of usage, but I'll get a lot of usage when I delete some of my videos because I put them in YouTube.
Sí.
So.
¿Cuántos años de aquí? No, sí.
So yeah, we're just telling you what we're doing, and in part 2 we're gonna tell you the fireworks. So, see ya.
Al rato vamos a arreglar para